Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well and staying safe. So in this video, I wanted to do an organize with me. So as you can see, my countertop in my bathroom is very unorganized, very dirty. So I found this Vanity Organizer. It's clear in color. I will link it down below, but I wanted to get my makeup item under control, so I decided to order this item. Hopefully it takes care of the issue. So we're gonna basically put it together and clean up my countertops a little bit, and then you guys will see the end results of what it's gonna look like. So let's start organizing. The UEK Makeup Organizer is a 360 rotating adjustable acrylic clear cosmetic countertop storage for large capacity crystal display stand box for lipstick, lotion, perfumes, and etc. So I thought this would be the perfect item to use to organize all my makeup, my facial products, and also my lipstick. As you guys can see here, it's real simple and easy to put together. It's basically maybe, I would say 8 to 10 pieces. So you put together the tower with the two bases, and then you basically insert the shelves. Now the shelves come with a rubber band. It's like these little tiny rubber bands, so you have to use those to secure the shelf. I don't think I showed you guys, but I should have. That's my bad, but you're supposed to use those rubber bands. So as you can see how easy and quick it was, I'm going to sort my makeup, organize everything, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like. I'm sure you already saw it in the beginning. You can see how much of a difference my vanity looks. It is so much cleaner, so much more organized. I'm gonna use the Lysol to clean it up a little bit. I should have done that in the beginning, but sometimes my mind is backwards. But it's clean now, so let's finish cleaning up and organizing this vanity. So boom, it's all done. This is my countertop. So here it is, the organizer. I have all my makeup on top along with my brushes and my eyebrow pencils and eyeliners and all my tweezers and things like that. I love Milani. Milani's like one of my favorite products to use as makeup. So everything is up top, and then down here I have all my bronzers, blushes, highlighters. Everything can fit on this shelf. And then over here I have all my facial products. That's of course my face cleanser. This is my hair, this is the heat protector, and that's the Maybelline Last and Fix. That's actually the primer. What do you call it again? I forgot. My mind is somewhere else right now. And this is my clarifying toner. I need to clean these products up. I'm gonna wash them down, but overall it's like the perfect fit for all my products. Why can't I remember? Oh, my setting spray. That's what it is. Oh my god, my brain is somewhere else. But everything is able to fit on there, including my deodorant. Whoops, that fell off. So let's put it back. And then over here I have that's my foundation brush. And then down here I have my face cream and also my primer and all that good stuff. And that's my face wash. I have to use that. So everything is able, oh, that's my toner as well, but everything is able to fit in this cute, neat vanity organizer. I think is the perfect size, especially if you have a very small or tiny bathroom. This is perfect. That is my clarifying mud mask, and it's able to fit in here as well. I love using this. This is like one of the best mud masks. This thing will last forever, and I've had it for a while now. Maybe the last video I did, I think that was like 2-3 months ago, so I've had it for a while. So this is my Born This Way concealer. This is like the best concealer there is. And then I use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is like the most affordable. It's like one of the best drugstore foundation you can use that's affordable, and it will never go over your budget. But it's one of the best foundation out there to me. This is also the Maybelline setting powder that I use. I think is in banana. I think that's the name of the color. But most of my products are either Maybelline or Milani, and I love using drugstore products. Only if I need to splurge on high-end products, I'll do that, but most of my stuff is drugstore. So I hope you guys enjoyed this organizing video. I'm really happy with this product. It's doing its job. It's compact. My bathroom is super tiny and small, and I think it's perfect for my bathroom. Again, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you were able to get some tips from this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you soon.
I know what I deserve.